Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I will be sharing with you guys a DIY nail desk table, and also I will be unboxing this new chair that I got for my clients. So let's go ahead and I'll walk you guys through everything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox this for you guys. This was so easy to assemble, so if you guys are interested, I will leave the description of this item in the description box down below. So yeah, as you guys can see, just took everything out and put it together. No screws involved or anything. So I absolutely love that, and it was super affordable. So this is what I will be DIYing. As you guys can see, the drawers are very short, and I will show you later on in the video how high they really look by me standing next to them. But yeah, the leg room was very uncomfortable because it's super small, and it's because the tabletop that I was using as well, the size was very small, so I didn't have much room to play around with. But I went ahead and I put these acrylic organizers underneath just to lift it and see if I could play around with that. So that's when I came up with going on to the Michaels website and seeing what they had as an option for these drawers so that I could lift the tabletop and have some more leg room and obviously expand them. So let's go ahead to the store and I'll show you guys what I picked up. So I picked up these cubes, as you guys can see, and these are for these drawers. They cost $14.99, so 15 bucks a piece. I picked up 2 of those, and also the tabletop. Now this tabletop is about 60 inches wide, so that was perfect for me. And yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to share with you guys here. The price wasn't there, but it cost me $39.99, so $40 for the tabletop, which is not that bad. And there, it was really easy to assemble. I'll go ahead and show you guys in a minute, but yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys the drawers that I had purchased. Again, I already had these. They did not cost me this is their actual price right now, because it was a year ago, so they were a lot cheaper. And also I had bought them when they were the Recollections brand. Now they have a different name on them, as you guys can see. So yeah, they have different options to this desk, so you guys can improvise and play around with what works for you guys. But this is what I came up with and what is working for me right now. And also I wanted to share with you guys some of the pieces that I have as well in my room. So for organization and things like that, this one was $29.99, and that's the one that I own. I have these drawers, the silver and the white one, but they do have them in the colors. And they're very well known for us crafters and like nail techs and things like that for organization. So yeah, I just felt like sharing that with you guys in this video. So that's pretty much it. I will share with you guys a couple more items that I do own that I saw at the store as well. Like this piece right here. I get asked often about this piece. And then these carts. So as you guys can see, they have them in multiple colors, which is pretty cool because you guys can play around with your setup. And yeah, I figured I'll just throw that in here to share with you guys. And here I wanted to share with you guys as well. This was the brand that I was talking about. It's the Recollections. That's what they used to be called. Now they changed them to this other brand, but they are still the same items, guys. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I wanted to share that with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy that. So let's go home and toss this together. All right, friends, so I am back home. I'm pretty much going to time lapse from here so you guys can see me organize and also assemble the table. So yeah, I wanted to point out before I get into walking you guys through what I am doing that I will showcase the whole desk here in this video, but I will do a desk tour in another video, like a separate video. So yeah, just wanted to point that out. And also I will show you guys my chairs and tell you guys where I bought mines and things like that. So yeah, as you guys can see, we went home, we assembled these cubes, really easy to put together. I wanted you guys to notice that there's like this very fine line in the back of the cube. That's just to put in that back piece that's supposed to go in there. But I opted for that option because I want to basically use this to put my gel lamp in there, so that way it's easy access for me and my client. Now, as you guys can see the size here as well, notice that the other drawer doesn't have the cube yet, but you can see how short it is versus the one with the cube. So there you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about. And then that's why I needed these basically. And then as you guys can see, we went ahead and we put the tabletop on it. So super easy to put together. It already has the holes so that you can bolt these two together. And then the way that I put in this full piece after we assembled everything to the drawers, what I did was I put double face tape. So yeah, a lot of leg room. It is 60 inches across, just in case I didn't point that out. I will give the measurements around here somewhere so I could give you exact measurements of the tabletop. But yeah, that's pretty much that. And then also we ended up taking off the wheels because I didn't want the table to be too tall so it wouldn't be uncomfortable for my client. But yeah, that's pretty much that. I will again share you the measurements in a minute around the screen here somewhere. And yeah, that's that. All right, so now I want to go ahead and show you guys my chair. And this is a chair that I am using. I purchased this one from IKEA a while back. And I refuse to change it, guys, because it is super comfortable. Like, I love that it has the holes so it is breathable. Now, we are filing all day, so because of the dust and things like that, I like that it goes through the chair so I'm not sitting on all of that. And yeah, that's pretty much that. Also, this is the chair for the clients, which I unboxed here with you guys, so that's that. All right, guys, and this is the contact paper that I chose for the desk. This is what I used for the back end of the drawers, just to kind of like make it look more like a nail table and hide that the screws and things like that you could see on the back end. I went ahead and I spray painted the screws in white so that it could blend in. And yeah, that's pretty much what I did for that end of the drawers. So I really hope you guys enjoy this. As you guys can see, I'm actually enjoying this table more than what I thought. I might even stay with it. So yeah, thank you so much again for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here to my channel. I have a nail room tour coming, and I also will do a tour of my desk. So do not miss out on that if you guys are interested. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much again for watching. Bye.